Hello traders, this is DFXS. Welcome to DFX family. I believe that guys you are doing good. Guys, our work here as a software developers and also traders, my friend, it is to make things easier and to make sure that every trader is profitable. Guys, I just want also to introduce the graded TFX MT5 manual system, and because we said everything you see in MT4, it's also there is a MT5 of it, or anything you see in MT5, there is an MT4 of it. So no one is left behind. Everyone should and must be profitable, because there's people who love to trade in MT4 and others in MT5. So now we upgraded our MT5 system to make sure that it is simple, accurate, and it will save a lot of your time. I know people have been wondering why this Renko is the best of the best. You can't compare Renko with the trading candle, guys. When using the Renko, it filter all candle noise like this one. You will never see things like this one, or the Renko will filter and give a clear entry, especially the TFX Renko file, because we programmed the Renko file by our own after experiencing a lot of shit there in some Renkos there outside. And I don't say that all are bad, but things must be done. This is why even if we get the free indicator, we must adjust a lot of stuffs there and upgrade them, because ask yourself, why do we have free indicators there online if surely they work? Can you take your time, like spend your time like more than 2 months and release that indicator for free? Because it is not that easy to program an indicator, because it took us like almost 3 months to program just a Renko alone, guys, day and night. And you can imagine how people love free things there online. You must fall in the trick, my friend. That is a big trick that some people fail in, because you can't spend your time, guys. You can't spend your time more than a month, more than 2 months programming something and release it there. Something must be wrong. Number one, maybe it's not working, something went wrong, maybe someone got tired, and we just released the system or the indicator the way it is. But thank God for people like us, we can be able to take from where it was left, and then we can finish the good work, my friend. Let us not wait. Let us not waste your time. Let's go straight to our MT5 manual system. This is the Nairobi. We only have two manual systems, and we are not intended to program another manual. We only have the Nairobi MT5 and Nairobi MT4, and those are the ones that we want all traders to master, because it makes things easier on your side, and also not only that, it will also be profitable. It is good to enjoy when milking the market than when they hit you up. But guys, TFX Nairobi system, it's what will save your financial status. It's what will save you from struggling in a forex market. Remember, guys, our MT5 system here, you can trade anything provided in MT5 terminal or MT5 platform. This means, like this one, if this is the US 100 or NASCAR, you can trade US 30, guys. You can trade anything that is provided there in a forex market. It doesn't matter what. So you can trade anything, normal currencies, stocks, anything that is there provided in MT5 platform. The system here can trade anything there, and it will analyze also the charts from monthly. This is why it saves a lot of your time. It will analyze the market for you, or the chart for you, guys. Yours is only to wait for entry. I'm choosing this to make sure that the index is working, US 30, NASCAR, volatilities, normal currencies, and also jump, blah 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 blah, and other every stuff. I think we forgot one, the range. Yeah, I think the range should be here, guys. The range should be here, and also the metal like gold. Let's pick, where is this gold? We can pick the gold, and we can pick some cryptos, yeah, to make sure that everything is demonstrated, so that you can understand that the system surely is working. Now let us go straight. It's very simple system here. After purchasing the system, we send the Renko file. We have template one for the EMA, the same as MT5, MT4, sorry, and also the TM. So let us click the file. The file contains the template. The first template is for the TM trading master. This is the TM, and this is the first template. You can change the template into EMA. This is the moving average, guys, and not just a moving average, but professional ones, my friend. This one is it's all that you need in order to understand. All you need to do now, it is to learn how this system works and how to operate with this system, because you must follow the rules. You must follow the rules of the system in order for you to be profitable. So don't jump, don't be greedy, don't go against. If you want to go against in your demo account. Learn something new, because you're not hindered to learn something new by your own, but because you really need to earn and learn at the same time. This is why you need some rules, so that you can operate, or you can learn how to trade with the system. You can see after saving the file, I do believe now you have watched our video and you know how to save the file. This is why the things are very simple. Let us go to this NASCAR. You just pick a template as it is. It's very simple, and the template contains everything. You can see the chart are very, very smooth. Even if you are a new beginner in Forex market, let me tell you, the TFX Nairobi system, manual system, whether for MT4 or MT5, guys, this is all that you need. And don't forget also the same copyright of the system. We have the EA. Yeah, we have the EA. For those who people don't understand the EA means expert advisors, and in another local language, it's known as a robot. So if there is a robot, the robot is the expert advisor. It is the system that works on your behalf. I know people there outside have been watching the Robocop videos, guys. So when I say robot, it's something automated, so that it can suit or do everything that you would have done manually. So anything here that you can do manually, the robot can do that on your behalf. But it is good also to be a full-time trader, because you really need this, because it feels good. Sometimes I feel very good. Not many times I feel good when trading manually, making money by my own. I feel superior, guy, my friend. And when I don't have time, that's when the EA works on my behalf, or we work both. That's according to whatever you wish to do. So guys, this is how now the templates look like. I just want to cover two things, how to trade with this TM. You can see this is gold, and this is one of the Bitcoins, and this is jump. This is normal currencies, GBP USD. This is volatility 25. You can pick any volatility. Somewhere maybe you picked, no. You can pick any. I don't have to prove because if you are born doubter, it is your work either to fight your doubts or to believe what you are seeing on my screen here. So this is how it looks like, guys. Whether it is US 30, anything you want to trade, guys, feel free. You can trade with this one. So let us go to strategy one. This of moving average. How to trade with this moving average. Guys, here down you can see we have our TFX deficient this time, and you can see there is three parallel line. There is this line 1, 2, and 3. Rule number one, because some people break the rules. So I'm trying to make sure that the templates look smooth, simple, that you can understand with a single video, and you are good to go with this system. In fact, you can learn only 1-2 days or in 2 videos, and you are good to trade manually with this system without hearing anything or without doubting anything. So number one, you can see we have our D fish at this area, and we have three lines. You can see we have the moving average, we have here the dotted, we have also the sub D, which indicates the support also and resistance. Even this dotted indicates support and resistance. And you can see we have another line here which indicates this is our TFX breakout line. The breakout line, you can want to identify the weekly support or the monthly support or blah 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 blah, so that when it breaks this area, you know that probably this week the market will be going down, because this is the weekly resistance. So you can change even this one and say, no, I just want to know this month where the market is going. And if you click OK, as simple as that, guys, now we have changed into monthly. You can see time frame period here. After changing that, you can and see we hit the monthly support at this point. You understand that probably this month the market gonna go up. If it doesn't break this area, the market will go up, and we're expecting to hit even the monthly. So you can see after hitting the monthly, the market dropped until the to the middle of the month. Then there is a reversal. So this breakout line, you can change it whenever you want to know. When you are trading manually, you want to know this week. Yeah, it is good to set it not even daily, but the week, so that you can understand or you can know where the market is going in that weekly, probably because here you analyze market by your own. So you can see now we are coming from the weekly. So I do believe you understand the meaning of this breakout line. And this dotted and this one, we said they all represent supports and resistance. So now this is the moving averages, and these moving averages, they are so professional, and you can never ever miss. I'm saying this because you must follow the rules of this system. Rule number one, we want now to enter the trade using the moving average. If you're smart with the moving average, or you have the experience of the moving average, we know we take positions after the crossing of the moving average. But here now, we are going to trade this thing professionally without missing any opportunity. So rule number one, you must make sure you are in support. The best thing when you see something blinking like that, it is to make sure it is refreshing, so that you can't say, oh, maybe my Renko is hanging, maybe there was a support, I can't see it anymore, blah, 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 blah. Those are the works, Renko, there outside, they hang. Even we passed all through that, but now, thank God, the Renko, it will refresh itself. So let's go back to our point that we want to take this buy trade using the moving average template, or the moving average strategy. So guys, we have some few rules here that you must follow. These 3 lines, they are very, very important. They are very, very important to follow. Number one, you must make sure that you are in support if you are looking for buy, and if it is a sell, you must be on a resistance. And we have this sub D, we have the dotted, is this dotted? We have the dotted, which also indicates support and resistance. Whenever you see this, whenever you see the sub D here, whenever you see this line here, breakout line, they all indicate support and resistance, and you can rely on them on when you want to take the position. After confirming you have support here or a resistance, now we are talking about buy. After confirming you have a support at this point, especially this one is very strong because they all made together. We have breakout line, we have dotted, and we also have our TFX sub D. So after you make sure that there is a support now. Let me draw this line. Make sure, guys, the D fisher has changed the color from fire bricks. This is the fire bricks, but a lot of men will see is red because we are colorblind. So let me call it red to make it easy. It will change the color from red now to magenta. That's not enough. You will wait for this bar to touch this our line, or to be too close to touch this line. All right. After touching this line, that is when now the buy is full confirmed to buy. So our D fisher must change from red to magenta, and the bar, this bar, some can call it, it's a volume. Yeah, it's a volume, whatever. You can call it whatever you want, but it is a volume or a bar. But understand this language, that this bar must touch or must be too close. Let me zoom here. I think I've seen something here like, yeah, like this bar, you can see it was too close to touch this line. All right. This one you can rely on also, but the one with the gap, a big gap like this one, don't rely with that one. Only the one that has touches the line, or the one that is too close. I think now that is understood. Now, that is the point number one. It must touch or be too close to touch this line. That is confirmation number two. Confirmation number one, we have confirmed the support. The confirmation number two, we have confirmed the changing color of our D fisher and the bar, or this bar touching our line at this point. That's two confirmation now, right? All three. Let's go to confirmation number four. The confirmation number four, it is the crossing of this moving average, crossing of these two fast moving average. Don't take the trades, right? Right, guys? So let me draw my line there. This is what I just want to show you. Don't take trade because this moving average. The market, something can happen, the market can change, all right? So wait until we'll find, after confirming all that now, we have this yellow, which is our last moving average, this one. Wait until the brick to close, or to close the price above this yellow moving average. After that, guys, after confirming the closing of the moving, the bars, right? Let me make things easier. Let me make things easier. I don't want anyone to get tired. Oh, so I must wait this crossing of the moving average. We can, let me do this. Let's go to this color. Let's put this into none. Let's make things easier, guys. You know, if you're not relying on those closing of the moving average, let us hide them, and let us save this template. Yeah, to make things, let me try to all my best to make things easier. I think this idea got me now. Okay, let it be simple like this one. All right, guys. Now you'll be waiting for the brick to close above this moving average. All right. Now, this is our last confirmation. We have all confirmation support. We have the confirmation of our D fisher changing the color. We are waiting the brick to close above this moving average. Immediately when this brick will open the price, after the closing price of this brick, the open price of this brick, guys, this is our entry point, right? So we are waiting for that brick. Let me zoom in, because I just want everybody to see this clear. You can see, guys, this is what the brick that closed above our moving average. Let me bring this one into that point now. The moment this one will open price, because the Renko is always based on our prices. After the moment this one will open the price, trigger your buy position. Boom. Hope that is clear. Yeah, I do believe I have a best student who wants one day will have a party here celebrating because of milking the market each and every time. So these are very simple rules that you are supposed to to understand or to follow, and you'll always be profitable with our TFX Nairobi system. So those are the confirmation that we are looking, and wait the brick to close about above our yellow line. Then we will wait this brick to close the price. The moment this one will open the price, that is when you take your position, or you take orders, you place order, right? I believe now you get it. Don't exit from market. Hold. This time around, I'm going to teach you even how to hold the market and when to exit, guy. The moment our MT5 ATM will appear again, you can add more position, because this one is totally to confirm now a strength momentum now, right? It's a strength momentum. Now add more position after seeing after the appearance of this ATM. All you will do, you'll wait this ATM now to close this brick to close the price. You know, you may be late opening the chart and you find that it has already took the place. No, it's never too late. You will wait until there is this ATM. After finding again ATM, you will wait this brick to close the price, the opening price of our second brick now. That is when again you will trigger your buy. All right, I believe now you are getting what I'm saying. Now, if you wish to, that is, if you are strong enough, if you are strong enough to wait or to hold for more profit, our D feature is the one that will help you exit from the market. This is the work of the D feature, and this is the work of these lines. So the bars are still long, and after you can see, when they reach to this point, they start becoming short. Short, my friend. They are reducing the size. They are minimizing the size. They are becoming short. So you will wait until you find there is a bar here that is too close now to touch again our line, or you can wait it to close either below or touching our line like this one. The shortest that you will see, the shortest of the shortest, not the shortest of the shortest are this one. No, the one that you see too short and too close to our line here, then that will be your exit point. So the D feature is not just a D feature. It will now help you hold for more profit and exit from the market the right time. And you will catch up all this profit, right? You can see it for yourself, guys. So those are the important rules that you are supposed to follow. Now, there is this thing again, there is another support at this point. You can see the moment this brick again closed above our moving average, and there is a support here, then there is another goodbye. There was no sell here, because don't say, oh, I can see there the B Fisher changed the color. Yes, but there was no support here. So it's a buy thing. The support is only at this area. So it is a buy thing. So after seeing again, after this retracement, there was another support here. This is the best thing with this system. So after drawing the support for you at this area of this or this dotted, again, you will wait the brick to close above this yellow moving average. Then this is your entry point, the opening price of this brick, guys. Let me see zoom, because you know some people might be short-sighted as I am. Anyway, the closing price of this TM brick, you will place your orders the opening price of our next brick. Then you can hold. Again, there is a good buy. You can see there is a good buy. To where? To this point, right? Why that point? Because now, yeah, I know I have a good student. Because the bars now, they are getting short. They are reducing the size from being long to short. So the one that is too close, it is that bar. And from there, that is your exit point. Then from there to this area, you milk the market without stress. And here, guys, even one brick, it is more than enough for the day. All right. Now, let us learn about how to take sell. It is the same, it is the opposite of what we were doing here. All right. Let us remove all this one. I don't want anyone to get confused. Now we are learning about sell. Now, if I ask you this question, what is our sell here? Or do you see a good sell here? Yes. Why? We are coming now from the resistance. We have dot. Then it is a strong resistance. We come from the weekly resistance, and we have the dotted. We have our sub D. Now, boom, we are waiting for this sell. When will we take this sell? We are waiting. You have never seen a good instructor like me, my friend. We are waiting for this bar, D Fisher bar, at least to touch or to be too close to our line at this point. Right, guys? Now, guys, you can tell me now. I do believe now you get what we are saying. Let us draw our vertical line from that area. After confirming support or resistance, now we are looking for sell. Guys, we said we are looking for this bar that is close to our Muzondo or a horizontal line, not a Muzondo line, it is a horizontal line. When you say Muzondo line, this means very sweet, very sweet fruit here in Kenya, Africa. If you ask someone, can I have Msondo? He will understand what you are saying. It's not bad language. So in our horizontal line here, we know that we are looking for this bar to get close to this line. This line is what we call a horizontal line, right? So you can see this bar, it has already touched this area. So all we do, let us bring closer now there. What are we now waiting for? Yeah, because we can see where the horizontal line is. We can see the bar approach that area. There is everything here. What were we waiting for? Guys, we were waiting for this bar again. We were waiting for this bar to close below our, guys, to close a bar below now our yellow line. This is why I said I don't want anyone to get confused, and this is why I said we will hide this. So if you find me sending you by default, and if you are watching this video, you can change this for your own, because some have already the system. So all you need to do now, it is to click there, none again, then you click OK. No, sorry for that. I just click everything. I disabled everything. No, you will just left this one for long term. This is a yellow one, and this one, let us close that one and let us click OK, so that we can remain only with the reliable and the important, the moving average there. So all we are doing here now, we are waiting for this bar, this brick now to close below our moving average. And because now the bar has already touched our horizontal line here, or this line now, it is time now to sell with the next brick, which is this one. I do believe now you are getting what I'm saying. Then from there, you can hold. After seeing the ATM, add more position to when? To your exit point. Where is your exit point? We say the moment this bar will start reducing the size, we are going to this point, because this one is the one that is too close to our line, and being close to our line, it tells us it is time to exit from that market. And as you can see, the system can detect that we are almost somewhere where there is a support. So this is the best thing with our updated or upgraded MT5 system. So from there, you exit, then you wait to see if there will be another buy, or maybe the sale will continue. Guys, see this. I wish you had this system this morning. You can see We have now support here. This is why I'm saying this system is so simple. Now we are looking for another buy. There is a buy opportunity here. Why this buy? We have a support at this point from our sub D, because either dotted, either sub D, either our breakout line, those all they indicate support and resistance. So now we have our support here. We can see our D Fisher has already changed the color. You can see the bar has already touched our horizontal line at that point. So what was next? It is to wait for this brick to close the price. Then the next brick, it is where we entered a buy position. And after our ATM again, we wait for this bar, this brick to close the price, the open price again of our second brick. Then we take another buy. Now, will we still be holding this market? Say no, big no. Why? Because you can see now, this is the, you can see the bars of our D Fisher has already reducing the size, and this one is almost touching our, being close to our horizontal line, and this is why we are supposed to be taking our profit there. So don't say, oh, I will be holding. No, 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 no. It is good to follow the instructions or the rules of the system so you can know when to exit from the market or when to enter. So those are simple mathematics, simple information, and with only that information, you become a professional trader without losing money in the market, without wasting your time doing analysis. Trust TFX Renko for everything. Now, let us go to US30 and let us analyze the template number 2, which is for the TM. And you can see, guys, you can see the this one is not for the team. I think something went wrong. I think I saved the wrong template. Let me insert the TM. Where is this TM tree master? Oh yeah, that is our T master. So let us save this template, because now this one is for the TM. I think something went wrong. Yeah. Okay. Now you can see another simplest template. Now this one is for the TM. Some can use moving average, but now we have done everything for you. Now this one is there for the TM strategy. And guys, remember, the rules are still the same. You must apply them. We are waiting wherever there is a support or the resistance of either dotted, either sub D, or our breakout line. At this point, those are the ones that indicate the support or the resistance. Where is our entry point when using the TM? Number one, remember, this is the support, right? We are waiting for this bar, D Fisher bar here, or volume to touch our horizontal line. After touching this line, we will be waiting for this break now. Let me zoom in. We'll be waiting for this break to cross the price. The opening price of this one, that is our entry point. So I believe now you are getting what I'm saying. It is very now simple. Now I think you can go, oh, now I'm good, now I can trade. Yeah, it is very simple as that. Now support our D Fisher touching this area, waiting for this brick to close, the opening price of our next brick. That is your entry point, and the exit point is the same, guys. The exit point, where is our exit point, guys? You can tell by now. In few minutes now, you are professional. I can hear you saying, oh, now I can see even the exit point. That is the exit point. Do we re-enter this market again? Yeah, we have the ATM at this point. Now the ATM tells you re-enter, add more position. When you wait for this brick where the ATM appeared, wait for this brick to close the price, then the second brick, open price of the second brick, that is your entry point. Ride the market to this area, watching the sub D. So I think you would be taking the position and start watching only the sub-D. Don't look for don't watch the profit. You'll close earlier. Watch the sub-D and see the behaviors of the sub-D. Then you can decide when to exit from the market. Now let us look for another sell. You can tell me now. You have become professional. The same thing, don't just enter because the TM has changed the color. Follow the rules correctly. So we are looking for this. Number one, we must go back to our D Fisher and see where the bars or the volume of the D Fisher is. When it's touching our horizontal line here or this line here you're seeing here, guys, we will be waiting for this brick to close the price. Then the second brick, it is when we will take the position manually. You can see there is an ATM there. You can add more position after the closing price of this. Why am I using the closing price of this? Because you must make sure that the ATM now is stable. And for that, it's not a repainting indicator, but you can think it's repainting before it's stable. And it will only be stable after the closing price of this brick. You know, even when the brick is not stable, nothing can be stable. So after the closing price of this brick, the next one we enter the trade with, we add more position from that point. Now we go to where? To here. That is our exit point, where whenever the shortest, you will see the bar that is so close to our line at this point. When it is too close to this line, then you can exit from the market. You can exit from there. If you want to, you can also exit from there, because it's no, don't just hold until there, but that is up to you. So that is our sell position. So the rules are the same, guys. We are looking the D Fisher, which is close after confirming support, hold resistance. I think now you know how now to enter. Only with this simple video, you become a professional trader. Trading manually, it's like you have 10 years experience in Forex market. And let me tell you, you will never ever miss those opportunities. Okay, guys, even if you go now to normal currencies, you can see the entries there are obvious. So we are coming from the resistance. This is an entry. There is an entry at this point, and also we enter here. There is another things here. It is good to cover this area because we are coming from the resistance. We don't have any support. There was a pullback here. Then the ATM changed the color. So there is a good entry here. Thank God I find this. There is a good entry there. There is another entry at this point. This is a sell thing when we are coming from the resistance. It's good to cover everything here. So after this small pullback, not there, that one is not clear. Even this one, the other one, the only one with the clear is this one. This one you can re-enter. Why? Because the bars are still longer, or they are bigger than even here our parallel bar. But this one you must get experience of how to re-enter this one, because the moment you will see there was a yellow and now it has changed the color into red. All you need to do now, let me zoom this, because you can see there was just a small yellow saying there was a pullback at that point. And this, because we are coming from the resistance, we are still saying that this market will still drop. So in order to buy to sell this market, you can see there is a way these bars, they were getting close, and meaning that like they wanted to come to our mid-low line. They came to this area, but the moment they get to this area, then the market changed. There was a formation here, the flat brick and the one with the wick. This is the formation that tells you that is now a resistance, and now it is a dropping, because you must watch our video. And because when I say about the formation, you will understand what I'm saying, that this is the formation. There is a formation here for a pullback. Then after that small pullback, there is a formation that gives us sell. So we want sell because this one has changed the color. Again, where I draw my vertical line, it is where you get a caution off, because after there, you will wait this brick again to close the price, then you will take the sell position. After what? After formation, all right, because it is a downtrend. After this formation, you will wait now this one to change the color. The moment this brick will close the price after changing the color, because this is only place that we trade the formation when trading manually. We don't take we don't trade just the formation against the market, because you're trading manually. It is good to know where the market is going, because you are not like the EA. If it was the EA, it can trade even this small pullback. But for you guys, you must wait for this TM to change the color now from yellow to red. Then you will wait this brick to cross the price. Then again, you can sell. Why? Because we have a formation. The TM has changed the color, and now we wait for this brick to close the price. Then from there, we can enter with that brick. Keep this in mind. Not everywhere we trade formation. We trade formation in the middle of the game of where the market is going. So this tells us there is another formation here. There is another formation here. So because there is no support, it is a downtrend. Keep this in our mind. It is a downtrend, and we call it downtrend because we have a resistance at this area, and as you can see, our D fisher is in red or in fire bricks. So at this point, trading with the direction of the market, we can re-enter after this formation. Formation means the flat brick over the opposite, and in this direction, it must close with the wick. This tells us now, after the changing color of the TM, you will wait for that brick to close the price. The open price of a second brick, which is this one, that is your entry point, because we are still selling. So if it is a buy, the same thing. But if it is a sell, we look for formation, changing of the color. Again, we enter the market, because we are going with the same with the direction of the market. But like this one, you can't trade because there is no support. Like this one, there is no support at this area. All right. So remember the first entries and the entries that we enter when the market is going up or when the market is dropping. So if the market is dropping and there is only resistance here and there was a small pullback, rely on this formation and wait again the TM to change the color, wait for that to cross the price, then enter the market. So it doesn't matter what you want to trade in MT4 MT5 platform, guys, you are free to trade. The same rules you can apply them, they are also in MT4, but those are the rules that we give so that everyone should be profitable. No one will enter the market earlier. You must follow the confirmation. If you want to be profitable, don't be greedy. Don't think. There is nothing like thinking in Forex market. It's all about analysis. So don't think, don't wish, don't think, my friend, like maybe market will go, maybe it will not. No, don't trade with the history. Oh, maybe, you know, my friend, the last time I didn't enter, then it went. I wish I guarantee that. No. Forget about that. Follow the rules of the system, and you'll always be profitable in Forex market. I believe now I'm done. I'm good, my friend. It doesn't matter what. If I tell you, you see entry here, now I believe you can tell me. If we bring our moving average again, you can tell me that you can see everything the way it's supposed to be seen. So if you follow the rules of the market correctly, guys, let me tell you, I assure you, you will always be profitable. You will never ever lose using our system if you follow the rules. The reason why I'm insisting these rules, it is because some people have been getting market earlier, but it is good to be patient with the market. Let the market come on your way. And now I believe by continue sharing the video, I do believe you are still getting more light about our system. See you next time, guys. Thank you so much, guys, and for those people with this moving average, I think I have shown you what to do so that you can remain only with this one moving average, and it will help you a lot how to identify or to get in the market at the right time using the moving average strategy. Thank you so much, guys, and once again, welcome to TFX family. Let us milk the market together. Thank you.